Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to Learning Excel with Miss Nuria. In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to format numbers, okay? So this is a worksheet we have done in previous tutorial, a cost profit worksheet for a small business. So now these numbers just alone, they don't indicate that it doesn't give complete information, right? So we have to format this one so that it shows that it's currency and a specific currency format. So how do we do that? I'm going to select this two entries here, and then I go on this one, yeah, click, then choose currency. So as you can see, we have different formats here. General is for any number, generally they have this format, which is, for example, quantity, 2 people, you wouldn't put any format for that. So that's general number, okay? Now for currency, okay, once I select currency, automatically dollar is assigned because by default here, dollar is set. You can change it here to other currencies. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.